Hello there, kia ora and welcome. Today I'm fitting these new rims, wheels and tyres to that MX5. But first off, I need to clean these bad boys and have a little inspection, make sure there's no dinks or dings in them. So this here is the before cleaning, and that's the after. It's a little bit better, but I still reckon I need to get in there with a little bit of Scotch-Brite or something like that, just to get it to really sparkle. Before, after. Alrighty, check out the colour shift of this mag cleaner. There we go. Oh yeah. Goes bloody purple. Look at that. Nice. So, here they all are, all cleaned up. If you're wondering what these wheels are, the SSR X types or Type X. There you go. The old SSR logo. Right there. An old made in Japan. JDM, bruh. Oh, out of focus, bruh. And they're wrapped in NangKang AR1s or A1Rs. I'm not 100% sure on that one, but yeah, it's there. NangKang. They're like a road legal semi-slick. These grooves in the wheels and tyres are both second hand, so yeah, they're a little bit, need a bit of TLC, but got them for a pretty good deal, so yeah. Alrighty, time to put these bad boys on the car. Let's go. Well, there you have it. They're on the car and they look pretty dope, I reckon. It shows off how much lower it needs to go. They've failed the shoe test by a mile, but I think it'll be good. I've got racing coming up, so we'll see how these bad boys go. This bad wood lower it needs. This bad wood lower it. This bad wood lower it. Lower it.